Hello and welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel. Golden cheese, charred edges, and colorful summer vegetables. This casserole is juicy inside with a beautiful golden brown top. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. Let's cook this together. Let's turn these simple vegetables into something seriously delicious. Here's what you'll need. Eggplant, 2 small. Zucchini, 1. Tomatoes, 2 sweet. Red bell pepper, 1. Onion, 2 small. Garlic, 8 cloves. Fresh corn, 2 ears. Mozzarella, 300 grams. Olive oil, 50 milliliters. Salt, half a teaspoon. Black pepper, 2 pinches. Nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. For the hot honey, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Chili or cayenne pepper, a pinch, and a few drops of lemon juice. Slice the eggplant into rings and half moons. The red bell pepper goes into thin strips. The zucchini, same deal, rings and half moons. Now cut the kernels right off the cob and toss them in with everything else. Dump all the vegetables into a big bowl. I like to save a few fresh kernels for later. They add a great pop of color on top. I'm cutting the onion into big wedges so it holds its shape in the oven. And the garlic, just peel it and leave the cloves whole. Season everything with salt, nutmeg, and black pepper. Give it a really good toss until everything is evenly coated. Spread the vegetables in a single layer in your baking dish. Give everything a good drizzle of olive oil. That's what gives you those golden charred edges. Into a preheated 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, oven for 20 minutes. And if you're into easy comfort food, subscribe. There's plenty more coming. While that's baking, let me show you the trick that gives this casserole those beautiful golden cheese islands. Pull the vegetables out, and now add the tomatoes. Spread them evenly across the whole dish. A little extra salt, and back in for another 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Now here's the real genius move. Tear the mozzarella into different sized pieces by hand. Some go right on top, and some get tucked between the vegetables. That's how you get those gorgeous golden pools of melted cheese. Back in the oven for 7 to 8 more minutes, just until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Look at that, golden, bubbly, and absolutely gorgeous. This is exactly what you want. But we're not done yet. One last step, and it changes everything, the hot honey. Add a pinch of cayenne to the honey, just enough to give it that slow, warm heat. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and mix it well. Now drizzle it all over the hot casserole. That sweet heat, bright acidity, and fragrant honey take these roasted vegetables and melted mozzarella to another level. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss what's next. All right, time for the taste test. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your go-to summer vegetable? Oh wow, that sweet heat is incredible. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you next time!